their can, and guaranteed to stay intact all the way to the last chip. Talk about a snack phenomenon, right? Although Pringles are often referred to as potato chips, they're actually not your typical chips. Pringles are made from about 42% dried potato flakes, combined with other ingredients like rice flour, wheat starch, and maltodextrin. This blend helps create a uniform snack that doesn't break apart like regular potato chips. So, if Pringles aren't made from whole potatoes, what are they really made of? Let's pop the lid and take a peek inside the factory to explore the fascinating process that turns simple potato flakes into the iconic Pringles phenomenon we all know. Starch that could cause a bitter taste and affect the color of the chips. This additional wash helps reduce the starch, enhancing both the flavor and appearance of the final product. After being thoroughly washed and drained, the potatoes undergo a meticulous manual inspection. Under the careful hands of skilled workers, each potato is carefully examined to remove any that are rotten, moldy, or still green, ensuring that only the best quality potatoes move on to the next stage of the process. After being thoroughly cleaned, the potatoes move on to the crucial transformation stage, slicing. To achieve this, Pringles uses extremely fast-spinning blades that ensure the slices are perfectly uniform. But it doesn't stop there. Right after the first blade, another blade further shapes the thin slices into small, square pieces, giving them the distinct Pringles shape. After being cut into small, square slices, the potato pieces continue their journey on a special conveyor belt. This conveyor vibrates gently to ensure the slices don't stick together, preventing any blockages in the production line. Even more carefully, a modern camera system scans each slice, removing any that show signs of dirt or damage. Next, the potato slices are briefly submerged in boiling water at about 90 degrees Celsius for around 2 minutes. It may sound quick, but this step is crucial. The blanching process helps prevent the potatoes from becoming mushy when they are later steamed. Once cooked to the right level, the potato slices are then ground into a smooth, dough-like mixture. It's important that this mixture is perfectly smooth and free of lumps, so it's ready for the next step in the process of creating those delicious Pringles chips. Now, the real magic begins. The mashed potatoes undergo an incredible transformation. The mixture is fed into a massive rotating drum dryer. As the drum spins, high heat is applied, quickly evaporating the moisture and pressing the mixture into thin, paper-like sheets of potato dough. This process not only helps preserve the natural flavor and quality of the potatoes, but also prepares them for the next crucial step: precise grinding. These dry potato dough sheets are ground into ultra-fine potato flakes. This is the secret ingredient that makes Pringles so unique. It's these potato flakes that are used to shape the iconic curved Pringles chips we all know and love. After the potato dough mixture is dried in the rotating drum and formed into thin sheets, the next crucial step is creating the perfect potato flakes, the foundation for Pringles' signature crunch. These thin potato sheets are fed into a specialized grinder. However, unlike what you might imagine with sharp cutting blades, here large blades are designed to rotate gently and evenly. The goal is to cut the sheets into flakes with precise size and thickness, ensuring they don't break into crumbs or end up too thick. The next step is where the secret formula that makes Pringles so unique comes into play. This is the pivotal moment that transforms regular potato flakes into a special ingredient that's unlike any other type of chip. In a massive mixing machine, the potato flakes are combined with a carefully measured blend of ingredients: water, cornstarch, rice flour, wheat starch, degermed corn flour, maltodextrin, diglycerides, salt, and emulsifiers. Emulsifiers play a crucial role in keeping the mixture fresh and stable throughout the production process. The result of this mixing isn't a smooth, dough-like texture as you might find when making bread, but rather a mixture with a coarse, wet sand-like consistency. It's this unique texture that sets the stage for Pringles' distinctive shape and crunch. After the potato dough and other ingredients are thoroughly mixed, the The next step is to create the perfect thin sheets of dough. The mixture is placed on a conveyor belt and passed through a special machine with a screw mechanism. This machine's job is to evenly distribute the mixture across the belt, ensuring that each portion of dough is perfectly uniform. This is a critical step, ensuring that the rolling process goes smoothly and that the dough sheets have consistent thickness. Next, the dough sheets move to a massive rolling machine. With a powerful pressure of up to 2 tons, this machine flattens the mixture into incredibly thin sheets, just around 1 millimeter thick. At this stage, the dough looks smooth and flat. If you weren't watching closely, you might mistake it for large sheets of fabric or paper. The dough sheets are then fed into a special rotating drum fitted with oval-shaped molds. These molds cut the dough into uniform oval shapes. This is the iconic form we recognize in every Pringles chip. Any leftover dough from the cutting process is not discarded but is collected and recycled back into the production process, minimizing waste and making efficient use of materials. This recycling loop is a simple yet clever way to reduce waste and optimize production efficiency. With the oval-shaped dough pieces ready, their journey continues to the fryer, where they undergo a transformation into the iconic curved saddle-like shape, or more precisely, the hyperbolic paraboloid shape. In the fryer, a large, specially designed roller gently molds these dough pieces into their signature curve. This shape, mathematically speaking, is a hyperbolic paraboloid, which allows Pringles to stack perfectly in their can. In the fryer, with hot oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, the chips are fried for about 10 seconds, achieving a golden crisp. This step is crucial for 2 main reasons. First, the high temperature helps set the curved shape and prevent any distortion. Second, the frying process creates the signature crunch and golden color, giving Pringles that satisfying crisp sound everyone loves when they take a bite. After being perfectly fried to a golden crisp, the Pringles chips pass through a cold air blower. This machine's job is to remove any excess oil and lower the temperature of the chips to about 104 degrees Fahrenheit. This cooling step is crucial to ensure that the seasoning will adhere better to the chips. Next, the Pringles move under a cascade of seasoning. Yes, that's right. A specially designed seasoning dispenser ensures that each Pringle gets the perfect amount of seasoning on its surface. This layer of seasoning is what gives each variety of Pringles its distinct flavor. And the flavors are incredibly diverse. Pringles boasts an extensive flavor collection, with over 160 options in the production process, simplifying the next steps and preparing them for packaging. Next comes a rigorous quality control check performed by dedicated staff. They meticulously inspect each Pringle, paying special attention to chips that might have broken during production, those with uneven seasoning, or any defects that could affect the product's quality. Only those that meet the highest standards are allowed to move forward. At this point, the Pringles are nearly finished. They're ready to be packed into the iconic cylindrical cans and shipped out to consumers all over the world. And finally, we've reached the most anticipated step: packaging. The familiar cylindrical paper cans with their eye-catching Pringles labels are ready for a new journey, one that will take them to consumers all over the world. After all the work shaping and seasoning the Pringles, the chips are gently moved along a special conveyor belt designed to minimize any bumps and breakage. With precise portioning, each row of Pringles is placed into the pre-prepared cans. Then, the cans are carefully weighed to ensure consistency across all the products being shipped out. Here, quick and precise robotic arms take over the task of sealing the cans. They apply special sealing stickers to each can, creating a secure layer that ensures the freshness and crunch of every Pringle is preserved from the moment it leaves the factory until you pop the lid open for the first time. From the meticulous production process we've just explored to the creative flavor choices, all of these elements have contributed to Pringles' unique appeal and have helped it maintain its strong presence in the hearts of consumers worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey through the Pringles factory. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Food Tech Today channel for more exciting content.